Toyota Alphard Vellfire NH Dual Blue Tesla player Dual Blast Inch 360 Android system player touchscreen. See, you can move bigger the car. Wow, you can small zoom, you can bird view see any type view angle. Wow, man, shot bigger zoom besar lagi besar, full screen. And system app, Android, YouTube, Play Store, Gmail, semua ada. Radio, Malaysia radio, very clear. Steering control can use back. All the player is plug and play, no modify. Louder. So plug and play, no modify. Signal terus keluar dua screen. Bird view, signal kiri kanan. Nah, cantik. Lagi reverse, auto keluar belakang, bird view, semua keluar two screen. So aircon controller can control aircon. Aircon louder. Off can control. Playback. On off aircon away. Open aircon. Lagi dia macam mana aircon kasih dia besar weh. Volume, aircon low, speed, control.
那时间也差不多了哈，现在呢我要下班了，对，所以
Lagi apa
如
control?
果你还想要继续跟我聊天的话呢，可以去到我的 social
Sini pun
media
boleh
里面找
control 吗？
我的 IG 是 GIGICHEOH， 或者是我的 Facebook。
So inside 3D view, same the outside 3D view. Same the outside 3D view. So the Alphard see a very bigger what the Tesla screen, Android system Tesla screen. So can see any type view angle, easily parking, make because MPV car is bigger, so make easily parking. And the 4 camera got dash cam record function. Dash cam record function, so safety of car. And got a night view version. Thank you.